Sushi on a train. Sushi on a choo-choo train. Duct tape.
Anyone
And then
for
sushi.
any drinks or any sosu? Large or small one?
What'd you get? What'd you order? What's that? Oh, that's, yeah. I missed it.
Here's a Jolene roll.
Thank you. Look it, here's your Jolene roll.
Yeah, Jolene came on a train.
Seared.
Seared. Woo, pretty. Yummy. Oh, little Japanese girl. Derailer. He's going to tell us what's in the derailer right now.
Salmon and cream cheese.
Deep fried. Mmm. Choo-choo.
Sushi, Ichiban.
Ichiban sushi with the choo-choo tray. And
See the choo-choo?
see the pile of plates? That each plate costs $10.50. So he went through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plates. Look at, I only went through 1, 2, but I have the expensive kind. The blue plate. And I'm waiting for my noodles.
What's that?
It's sushi face.
Hello, hello, Patrick. Do you have a sushi face?
Give it to us.
What was that?
That was your sushi face? Or was that sushi ecstasy face? Or
It's a little bit of both.
okay.
Do you have a sushi face?
I'll do a sushi face.
That's mine.
Okay, attempt number 2.
Oh wow. Okay, ready? Makes sense. It's okay.
Oh my god. That's what. If I did that job, it'd be 6 to 6 or 7. The photo was with order, so that's recording.
Your kettle is moving every single plate.
Yeah. Somebody's filming us.
Smile, Eddie.
chocolate, I think.
Oh, it is.
Hi again, how are you doing? Nice to see you.
You waste 10 cents to make $1, right? You know what I mean?
I don't think I've ever had it. What did you do? Take